Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add or change the business hour on your Facebook page. Today's many people using Facebook page for their business. If you would like to add business hours on your Facebook page, how can you do this? Let's learn how you can set up this. Before enter this video, subscribe our channel for further technology videos. First you have to log in with your Facebook page, then you have to move the About tab, then you have to choose the Contact and Basic Info, then you have to scroll down. Under the Basic Info you have to click on the Add Hours. Here you have to select the option of Always Open. You have to select the, if you add the Customize hour, you have to select Open on Selected Hours. So Monday you have to open. So you have to choose the hours 9 a.m. and 6 p.m. You can choose the particular day hours from here. Then you have to click on save. That's it. If you would like to edit the business hour, you have to go to business info section. Then you have to scroll down. Here you can check it out the closed now because of this is Sunday, so you have to click on edit icon. So here you can add or change anything, then you have to click save. That's it. So in this way you can add or change the business hour on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section. If you like this video, don't forget to touch the like button.